This video tutorial is all about glute strength utilizing bands and Mace. So to get started, you'll just need a simple band. You can utilize the cloth band or the rubber band. I'm going to be using a gray band, which is designed to be a little bit tighter than the white one. Place the band over your legs and see that the band arrives right at the mid-thigh. So you're not at the knee joint. We don't want to put too much shear force on the knee joint. We want to be right in the middle of the leg. You can start with bodyweight squats. Take the arms straight ahead, shoot your hands forward, find your hip hinge, resist your band on the way down. And as you come up, squeeze your glutes, pack your shoulders. We'll start with just 5 reps to warm up. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Power level breath. Notice I'm tearing the band apart as I come towards the ground. As I come up, I'm squeezing my glutes just as if I was to do a full kettlebell swing. I want to make sure I have that full hip extension here. Next progression, you can walk over to your Mace or your club in this case. This is a 15-pound club. So other variations, you can just yield your club in front of you or your Mace, come down, drive up. Notice I have my Mace in the center of my body, my club. As I'm coming down or as you come down, see if you can drop deep into a squat where you place your elbows to the insides of your knees, leaning back against the weight of your club as you stand up. Squeeze your glutes. Other variations, you can find a shoulder cast, two-handed flag. This definitely would require that in your practice to be able to perfect that shoulder cast with good alignment. Refer to some other videos on shoulder casting for that. Explore the YouTube channel and try to put as much quality movement coaching education up as I can. Two-handed flag, back to order. Shoulder cast, order, two-handed flag, order. Other ways to incorporate your bands for training glutes. Let's work the shoulder bridge. Enter from a flat foot squat. Peel one hand back. Level 1 shoulder bridge. Come down to your back, drive up. Here. Again, fighting the band the whole time. Next progression, shoulder bridge to reach. Come back down. This is a regression for a tripod. Shoulder bridge, reach. And definitely legs are burning. I've got my external rotators firing. Got my glutes, my outer glutes working hard. Over time, if I want to progress that into a tripod, looks like this. Hand goes back behind the hip, full hip extension, drop down, yaw, rotate around the block, drive up, come down, rotate, switch, full hip extension. Notice the alignment in your tripod, ensuring that your shoulder stacks over your wrist. You don't want to be here, you want to be here. Noticing the vertical line of the shoulders. Here, 2 hip bones pointed up, stack, eventually vertical to overhead. Swing around the block, rise up. Take the band away. And what's left is that memory of how to activate your glutes in full external rotation, full torque. Got greater leg drive. Can pick up my club and try that as well. Always looking to maximize full end range of motion. All right, now how do we do it with a Mace? I'm gonna use a lighter band here, just so you can see different levels of difficulty with the band. So, assuming you have a 360 swing in your practice, this is warrior stance. Top hand indicates the direction of the swing. Block, dump, pull. Bottom hand catches, reach up towards the globe of the Mace, find a squat, and stack. Block, dump, pull. Nice clean swing. Bottom hand catches, squat, and then stack. Using the band to generate more proprioceptive feedback of torque, external rotation, keeping the torque as I swing as well, to translate that force into the core. And then when you take the band away, what's left is full glute engagement, full core. There's several variations here. I can let my mace drop in the hand, or I can reach up, crank it. I prefer that way. Solar plexus. Squat. Sometimes when we get a little fast, we might just let the mace travel down, but I'm still leading it down with the help of this hand. So I'm holding slow motion here. And always chugging breath to recover. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, training the body to get out of fight or flight in between your rounds. Put together some skill building sequences utilizing bands and then taking bands away. Comment below. I'd love to see how this workout's working out for you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, ask those questions in the comments. I'd love to do some Q&A. I'll see you in the virtual studio very soon.